In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the editor type dropdown. Blender's interface is built from multiple panels, and each panel is an editor dedicated to a specific task. The beauty of Blender is that you can switch what any panel does without changing your entire workspace, and the editor type dropdown is exactly how you do that. Look to the top left corner of any editor panel. On its header bar, you'll see a small icon that represents the current editor. That's the editor type button. Make sure your mouse is over the panel you actually want to change, then simply click that icon. A menu will open with a full list of editor types, letting you transform that panel into whatever tool you need at the moment. From this menu, you can choose the 3D viewport to navigate and work directly in your scene with objects, lighting, and cameras. If you're focusing on materials, pick the shader editor. It presents your materials as node graphs so you can build, adjust, and troubleshoot shaders visually. To work with texture coordinates and image textures, switch to the UV editor, where you can view and edit UV maps and see how textures lay across your models. If you're animating or setting keyframes, the timeline is your go-to. Selecting it gives you a clear view of frames and playback controls. And for organizing your project, the outliner displays a structured list of every object, collection, and data block, making it easy to select, hide, or manage items without hunting in the viewport. When you choose an editor from the menu, the panel switches instantly. You're not deleting anything or changing your project data, you're simply changing how that panel displays and interacts with the scene. The header and tools update to match the new editor, and the icon in the top left changes to reflect your choice. If you pick the wrong one, just click the icon again and select a different editor. You can also hover over items in the menu to read their names and make sure you're choosing the right tool for your task. This is the exact process tutorials refer to when they say switch this panel to the shader editor or open the outliner here. Remember, you're only changing the panel you clicked on, not the entire layout. That means you can keep your 3D viewport open while turning a neighboring panel into the UV editor or timeline, keeping your workflow focused and efficient. And that's all there is to it. Click the icon in the top left of a panel, open the editor type menu, and select the editor you need.